All right, you always trying to get you ready for the Monday grind and ready for the weekend early. We're talking about next weekend, people. Now listen, you gotta tell me who sends out the baddest free watch faces on YouTube. All right, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know. May not be me. All right, you all, let's kick this review off. We got an awesome analog watch face for you all to check out. And we got a digital. I didn't know what kind of week you were going to be having, so we thought we'd give you the best of both worlds, all right? With that being said, let's start off with number one. Number one is called Phosphor Minimalist. A very nice minimal analog watch face is worthy of a download. And yes, this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, but you got to remember, free can turn into paid at any given time. So make sure you download ASAP. But let's take a look at this watch face really quick. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit in the AOD mode, but you will be able to see your analog time at a glance. Now, what I like about this watch face, it is a minimal watch face. I like the black background, which is going to help with the battery efficiency. I love the look of the premium glowing analog hands. This is definitely tight, and the index lights up in four corners. Beautiful. Now, for those of you all who still want to keep up with your fitness and you still want an elegant looking watch face, this one definitely is going to be it. Now let's take a closer look at it. First of all, you're going to get your information for your steps over here. You're going to get your miles walked or ran. Up at the top, you're going to get your battery percentage. Over here, floors climb, and your heart rate. So you get everything you need out of a watch face, right? And down at the bottom, you're going to get your digital time and, of course, your date. Now, it is interactive, so you can single tap on it and you can go into that particular information, whether it be the steps, or you can go into miles walked or ran, and it'll bring up the same thing. So this is nice. I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job on this elegant, luxury looking watch face. Not bad at all, right? But let's say you're out on the town, you're dressing to impress, or you're at a board meeting and you don't want all of that. Double tap and you can get rid of it. It leaves the time down at the bottom. I wish you had an option just to get rid of the time. This would have took this one over the top, but it's definitely not a deal breaker, especially considering that this watch face is free. You guys gotta hit me in the comment section down below and hit the like button on this one. All right, let's go ahead and let's check out watch face number two. All right, you all, watch face number two. Now this one is a simple digital dress down watch face for the work week. Now, the name of it is called Red Circle Modern. It's a 24-hour watch face. I'm gonna call this watch face Swirl, because that's exactly what it looks like to me. Now, in the AOD mode, you are only gonna get a simple digital time, which is cool because time is what's most important on any watch face. Now, once the watch face is on, you're gonna get, of course, the simple information that any watch face can have. You're gonna get the day of the week, your date, your digital time. You're also gonna get a PM stamp along with your month. Down at the bottom, very small, you are going to get your battery percentage. So I thought this wasn't a bad look for a casual dress down digital watch face, but again, at the end of the video, you let me know your thoughts on this one. But check it out. I double tap, I can change the color thing to a few different colors and all, depending on how I'm feeling for the day. I think it mainly sticks into the reddish color, but this is, I guess if you want to blacken it out, dim it down really low, you can set it on that. But yeah, not bad at all for a basic, simple digital watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of Swirl, and make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Make sure. And if you want to see more videos like this, then also subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I'll see you all again at the next video. The Monday grind is almost here.